Hey everyone, a major update just hit CLM on Cross. We have a brand new boss, some massive changes to how fees work, and some great quality of life updates. Let's break it down as simply as possible. First up, the Dimensional Rift just got its fourth boss, Ifrit. You can find him after defeating the third boss. He's tough, but he comes with enhanced rewards to help your progression. If you've been looking for a new challenge, this is it. Now, let's talk about the economy, because this is the biggest change. Minting is now cheaper. If you have the Premium Shilts Pass, minting is now completely free, 0% fee. If you have the Normal Pass, it dropped from 50% to 20%. DEX selling is more expensive. The transaction fee for selling on the DEX has increased from 5% to 30%. Basically, the game is encouraging you to mint and hold your assets rather than quick flipping them on the market. The devs are also cracking down on ranking farming. You now need to meet certain level or combat power requirements to get rewards from field and rift bosses. This stops low-level accounts from taking ranking points away from active players. You'll now see a specific icon in the UI that shows you exactly which content gives you Shilts ranking points. No more guessing. Searching is now easier. And they've added price limits to items to prevent people from accidentally buying things at crazy inflated prices. For those of you doing Tower of Sage, the reward schedule has changed. In the Asia region, you can now claim rewards on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Also, a quick shout out to the bug fixes. They finally fixed the chat filter. You can now actually type words like Rift and Friend without them being censored. Don't forget to log in for the 7-day login event for free rewards. There are also new protection packages for costumes and equipment in the shop until May 14th if you're looking to upgrade your gear safely. That is the April 30th update in a nutshell. What do you think about that 30% DEX fee? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more CLM guides. I'll see you in the Rift.